Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my Play by Sephora unboxing. This is my November boxy charm Sephora Play unboxing. Yeah, if you guys want to see what products I got this month, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And let's just go ahead and jump right in. I have a scarf on. I thought it was cute, my little outfit today, and it is like 55 degrees out right now and it's actually raining as well, but I don't know, I just felt like looking a little cozy today. So we are going to go ahead and unbox my Play by Sephora box. This is a $10 monthly subscription box. You get 4 to 5 sample sizes, and did I say it retails for $10? Yeah, and it's just like something you put a card on file, they charge you monthly, and then they send you your box. Which is nice that this hasn't gone up in price like BoxyCharm has raised the prices. I think I'm just going to cancel BoxyCharm. I was telling you guys that I had like FOMO to cancel it just because sometimes they have really good stuff. But a lot of the time I only keep 1 to 2 things and then everything else usually goes towards giveaways. And I was thinking that maybe if I really want something that I should just like buy it off of a Facebook BoxyCharm page because I am following BoxyCharm Beauties. So I think I'm going to go ahead and cancel it. But back to my Play by Sephora box. It says the Stay In and Play book. What's better than new beauty and a night of self-care? So go ahead and put on that mask you've been meaning to try. These puzzles will be here for you while it dries. And this month's box comes with this purple baggie. Super cute. I like that they're changing it up because we used to just get them in the red Play bags, but they're changing it up. We've gotten green and blue, like a cobalt blue color, and now purple, which is cute. So the first product we have here is a perfume sample. This is by Versace. It's the Bright Crystal perfume. I've never tried this. I think I already have a sample of this, but I haven't tried it out yet. It looks like it has like a mix of like fruit and like florally scent. Have you guys tried this perfume? What do you guys think of it? Let's see. It actually smells good. It smells good. Oh. You can definitely smell like a little bit of fruitiness to it, but like more floral. I think it smells nice. It smells clean. It smells nice. Next up, we got, ooh, nice. I was just seeing somebody like use this in their Shop My Stash video. I was like, ooh, that looks like really intriguing. This is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Here's the outer packaging. And here is a little mini guy so you can try out. This has quite a bit of product in there to see if we even want to purchase a full size, because this is a pretty good amount. So this is a hydrating and pore refining primer. I wonder if it smells like watermelon. It probably does. Oh yeah, it does. It smells like watermelon. And then it has like these dots in it as well. I wonder if that's supposed to be like the seeds. It smells like watermelon though. For sure, I'm actually happy to get this because I really wanted to try it out. Next up is this Silis Booster XL Super Enhancing Mascara Base by Lancome. So this is just like a mascara primer. Actually, I don't really use primers, but you know what? I should use this. I actually have the Lancome mascara in my Shop My Stash this week, and I actually don't really like it. So let's see. Maybe I should put this in to see if I like it with the primer, but I don't really like it's the Monsieur Big, I believe, mascara. It's a black one with the pink lettering on it. Next up, we have this Kiehl's Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. So it just looks like this. I've only tried a couple products from Kiehl's. It smells lemony. Nice. And this is just what it kind of looks like. It smells lemony. I feel like it would help with like brightening dark acne scars and stuff like that. It smells nice. I've never tried that product before. Next up, we have this NARS lipstick in the shade Tolede. I'm not sure, but it says it's a satin finish lipstick. How cute is this? Ooh, I like these kinds of shades. These are like my kind of everyday shades. I've never tried a NARS. I don't think I've ever tried a NARS lipstick. I actually saw a whole bunch of Audacious lipsticks at Marshall's, and I wanted to see one, but I did open them to see the color because I'm not gonna know what Idris is or, you know, like names of girls. So I opened them up just to see the color, and they're like bright orange or bright red. Like, I'm like, I want a nude. But this color is nice. I like it. So I'm excited to try this out. I wonder if this is like the Audacious. I don't think it is though. This is not the Audacious lipsticks that a lot of people rave about, but this color is nice. And then the last product we have here is this other product by Lancome. This is the Advanced Genifique Concentrate Activier de Je ne sais. Youth Activating Concentrate. That's funny. I think this is just a serum. Let me go ahead and read in here. And oh, I just saw that there is a puzzle in this piece of paper. Oh my gosh, there's a whole bunch of puzzles. So that Lancome product give your skin a little TLC with a serum that smooths and evens skin tone while keeping it hydrated with bifidus extract. Nice. Oh, and then the Kiehl's is you deserve just because flowers to match an equally soothing calendula flower extract packed water cream. So overall, this box was not bad at all. I was considering like unsubscribing from BoxyCharm and Play by Sephora, but I think I'm just going to unsubscribe to BoxyCharm and keep my Play by Sephora a little longer. I am kind of like excited for a lot of these like sample size products. Like this month was not bad at all. This lipstick is not actually like an everyday kind of nude for me that I like to wear. It's kind of a little more like peachy pink a little bit. In person, I don't know how it's showing off on camera, but I still do like the color. And then I feel like sample size products is better for me to kind of try out and see if I want to purchase a full size than getting like random full size items that I'm probably most likely not interested in. So let me know if you are subscribed to Play by Sephora down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!